hurts my stomach and makes me feel bad.
I used the restroom, but it just, that feeling when we were pulling in, and now it's gone. So it's like...
Same.
You know?
It's like, oh, am I gonna poop?
Yeah.
Coming out? Am I gonna poop? Ooh.
Yeah, but then it's like, this is my opportunity, you know, to poop.
Go for it.
But I don't have to anymore.
Hmm?
I don't have to anymore.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah.
You got a smudge on your lens there, Bubba.
Oh. I don't want to leave this in the car, so I think I'm going to take it in with me.
Oh, into the bathroom.
Well, not in the bathroom. Well, no, I'm going to leave it. What'd you get?
Potato tacos. I did not want to eat tacos, but then forced me into it.
Oh, you've been forced to eating potato tacos?
Well, I mean, this is the only thing that might not hurt my stomach. I didn't want to eat tacos today, but I know if I don't eat these tacos, then I'm not going to eat at all. Even me and Ben discussed plans last night of eating kolaches.
Yikers.
Yeah, yikers indeed.
I got a torta.
Well, you enjoy your torties. Torties.
Get some shot of it first. Sorry. Would you hold this real quick? Like just this handle? Oh yeah. Well, good. Grab some of it. That's good. Thank you. What happened, Daniel?
I mentioned getting gas about how many times specifically, like for lunch?
Twice.
Did anybody listen to me?
I did.
But in the end, did it even matter? You want to come around to the side and start taking stuff? Camera
Yeah,
down?
I could do that.
Hip-hop is a way of life, a way of thinking.
My job is sticking my hand on Ben's butt to help him in a tree. You know, not all work is glorious, but sure as God's got sandals. Pete's standing there with the camera. The camera got help clean the street.
Sounds good.
Nice oysters.
all right. Did you make it? Did you make it? Say what? I saw him. He was jumping the ditch earlier.
Did you go into the settings? I know how to fix that.
I did. I went to the settings.
Show me the settings. Wait,
Okay.
we're gonna do some roping here in a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna call it for us. Take the occasion real quick.
It is biblical that the sun will come out tomorrow.
Is it?
Yeah. As surely as the sun will rise. But that's not the same as saying that tomorrow will come.
turn.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'm gonna break your phone. I don't want any evidence.
To become secure, I
Looks pretty sturdy.
value. I want to be
Really
worth
not that
something.
bad.
I
Yeah.
want to be worth enough to attract the attention of others.
Anyhow,
Who are you talking
you
to?
can talk to HR. It's okay.
You hear me now?
Can
No,
I?
wait till you know.
I don't know. Can I, Ben?
Instructions unclear. Lasso.
Yeah, I'll take it. You can hold on to it.
Look at all them chickens. That's how they say it. So look at all them chickens.
Your face. So hilarious.
That's how I'm gonna talk from now on. Look at him climb that tree with all them chickens.
Hey, I reckon she's a big one.
I don't see any chickens.
Remember, she's too big.
That's right.
That's right.
That's what I've heard.
That's what I've heard.
I've heard that.
No, don't do that.
I could use your phone.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, I did the tree.
Yeah, you
So
could.
do you remember what happened to the GoPro?
I do remember what happened to the GoPro.
So, just for the camera's sake,
Bobby.
Everything is merely a description, not the real myself. Everything is simply a shape, a form, an identifier to another.
Dad.
But then, what am I? Is this me? My true self? My fake self? What is it that I am?
Yeah, we're trying a new thing here. Usually I have the lanyard on my saw. So, it's a little different not having a lanyard on your saw. I'll clean this up a little bit. I don't trust that the limb that's on. Yeah.
Or no less than the sum of myself. But I don't understand myself. Where am I? What am I? What am I? The only one who can take care of you and understand you is you yourself. So you must take care of yourself. Your world is in a state of constant change.
I'm acting you.
What is this?
Hi. Hi. Here's your thingy back, Ethan. I'm gonna record it on its way down.
Hey, you just remember I have control if these hurt you or not.
Ooh, I caught the end of that.
That's a big one. Right on the pile.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Muy
That was
bueno.
like an inch away from the ACU.
Yeah. About. What? Of all the random things.
You would think we live in like.
Oh, there's two of them.
Where?
Other side of the fence over there.
Oh,
Let's do the ones under the power line.
Look at all them chickens.
Mother-in-law has a
there's 6 of them. Look at all them chickens.
You put it on choke and then you hold the trigger and it'll take it off choke. Okay. Pull a little tighter, Dave.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it though.
Here we go.
Pretty good. Tired. What time is it?
Huh?
4:40.
Look, it's Ariel.
Oh wow. That's something.
Dream girl.
There we go. Yeah, she used to make me really nervous because she's just wearing a bikini.
I mean, basically.
made you nervous? Well, I was like a little kid. Like I used to have the hots. I used to have the hots for Jasmine actually.
You like the ethnic type, huh?
I mean, Jasmine's basically just wearing a tube top, so.
Right.
You can still get the cinnamon twist from Taco Bell?
That's okay. That's not. I'm talking about substantial like food, like what you used to be able to get.
The
Not
cheese-
like I can go get a 25-cent Laffy Taffy. That
The
doesn't count.
cheesy roll up from Taco
No,
Bell?
that's $1.29.
No.
It is
How do you know?
because I bought it for Logan and Keegan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Those used to be like, those were cheap.
Those were like 50 cents.
Yeah, they were like, well, I thought they were like
and then they made it
79
to
cents.
87,
Yeah.
like the rest of them. And then now there's nothing.
How much is the crispy potato soft taco? That's not good.
$2.
Now it's
That's
a
my
spicy
favorite.
potato soft taco. It's so good.
I like that one.
Yeah.
You're making me hungry.
You know, I could throw down some spicy potato soft tacos right now.
Dude, I love potato tacos.
I never really keep track of the prices.
What's this little girl doing?
Well, that's because
Where's her adult?
I feel happy
you
about it.
don't have to pay rent. If you don't
Well, it's not that. It's just like I just don't really remember the prices for the food, and now it's like so inflation, everything has gone up. But I'm just like, oh, that still seems like a decent deal.
so blissfully ignorant.
I suppose, yeah.
Silly little bit. My grandmother's buried there.
Is she actually?
Yeah, let's go visit.
You're lying.
No, she is in the back corner.
Why would we go visit?
Why would we conscience. For the living know that they will die, but the dead know nothing.
Yeah, that doesn't.
I don't know.
Ecclesiastes is like a book of wisdom. It's not a.
Yeah, that's pretty wise to say that people are dead, so they know nothing if they're in heaven or hell.
It's not like a truth.
I think it is.
Okay.
I don't think. I don't think dead people watch over us.
Actually, do you think it is pretty true? No, dead people don't watch over us.
I don't think they hear us. I think
no.
they're in heaven praising the Lord, or
No.
they're in hell burning.
No, they're asleep.
Huh?
It says that they're asleep.
They're in heaven. When you die, you go to heaven.
It says they're asleep.
Yeah, but it's
I
God.
may disagree with you, or I may
Yeah.
agree with you, depending on what you mean.
I think that's what he's talking about.
Okay. I could get behind that.
Yeah, I know
So
for a fact when
you're
Jesus...
separating it out into physical and spiritual. You're saying
Yeah.
that physical bodies are asleep.
Correct.
Maybe we can study it together.
Oh, we could. Let's do that.
Yeah. You know where it talks about all this stuff is in like in great
Revelation, some of it.
Well, a lot's in Revelation, but it's also a lot in Daniel and Ezekiel.
We should read Daniel.
Yeah.
Because that's your name.
Yeah, no.
Stop recording me.
Just come on, one.
What? Look at all them chickens.
It's not it.
Look at all those chickens, sir.
No, do it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Do it in the voice.
Look at all them chickens.
It's not it.
Those chickens, look at them go.
Oh, come on.
I don't know what you're talking. Look at all them chickens.